we need to use a screwdriver and press it here, and then we can take it out. Oh, okay, we already removed all the PV connection cable, PV negative, PV2 negative. This is the second MPPT positive. Positive. Okay, we can take out this cover now. Show it here. Okay, this is the cover. This is the LCD board. Okay, let's see here. This is the control card. This is the LCD board. 哦，不用打横，就这样，不然客户到时候看起来就很难看。这样，这样就好。This is the control card. Okay, we're going to remove this two cable. This cable is the communication cable. It is used to communicate with the LCD board. Okay, let's take it out. This cable is used to connect the connection board. Okay, let's. Here we can see there was terminal here. We needed to press. Use some to press it and take it out. Then it will be easily. And here is our four screws. Let us take it out.